Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
All right, everyone. Today, we're diving into a comparison of the best AI avatar tools.
HeyGen is an AI avatar generation tool, but interestingly, most YouTube videos only focus on its cloning and translation features. Don't get me wrong, those features are impressive. However, today, I want to present a complete HeyGen review. I'll walk you through all its capabilities, so you can see the full picture. Plus, I'll provide a quick, step-by-step tutorial to get you comfortable with HeyGen in just a few minutes. Sound good? Let's dive in. First, I'll show you how to access HeyGen and explore its pricing. HeyGen AI Review and Tutorial. Is this the future of video creation? Creating an account is completely free and straightforward. All you need to do is provide your email, answer a few quick questions, and you're good to go. The free version includes 60 ready-to-use avatars, which can be animated using either written text or voice recordings. This gives you the freedom to experiment with various avatars and voice options while tweaking settings to suit your preferences. Now, if you're keen on creating a HeyGen AI avatar with your own face, you'll need a subscription. The pricing plans vary based on the number of users sharing the account. For individual creators, the Creator Plan is tailored to your needs. It lets you customize the number of credits you receive. Each credit equals 1 minute of video. That said, HeyGen's pricing might feel steep. The plans start at $24 per month if billed annually, with monthly options available at a higher cost. If you're looking for a premium feature like the instant avatar with your face, HeyGen delivers high-quality results tailored to user preferences. You can even try a default avatar based on HeyGen's CEO to see the quality firsthand. It's so realistic, it might feel like the avatar's about to step into your room. However, the photo avatar feature falls short. These avatars are limited to 2D, often lacking the vibrancy and customization options you'd hope for. While you can upload a unique 2D image, the platform doesn't offer extensive editing tools. The Studio Avatar option is where HeyGen really shines. It's similar to what Synthesia offers, allowing you to design custom outfits for avatars and choose from 152 options. To make the process even simpler, HeyGen provides an easy-to-follow guide for each avatar. I highly recommend exploring this feature. Now that we've covered avatar creation, let's explore some of HeyGen's standout extras. One exciting feature is the streaming avatar. It lets you integrate HeyGen avatars with ChatGPT for lifelike conversations. Although still in beta, this feature shows promise for creating dynamic, real-time interactions. Another noteworthy capability is the knowledge base, where you can adjust the tone of the AI's responses. While it doesn't alter the voice itself, it refines the content of the AI's replies. This feature is intriguing, but at its current stage, it feels more like a proof of concept. Moving on to AI voice capabilities, here, I expected a bit more. While HeyGen provides an extensive library of voices in multiple languages, you can't generate or clone custom voices yet. On the bright side, the included voices are high quality, thanks to 11 Labs API integration. Now, let me guide you through creating an AI video with HeyGen. You have two starting options, using a pre-designed template or generating an AI script. Let's try the template option first. As you can see, there's a wide selection of templates categorized for various needs. If you require something more specific, the AI script option is your go-to. Here, you can input a topic or even a URL. I typed in how to stress less and achieve more, selected English as the language, and chose a professional tone. Adding extra details is optional but helpful for fine-tuning results. For example, I added using meditation to reduce daily stress to refine the script. Once the script was generated, I clicked Create Video to jump into the studio. The video was ready in moments. Let's listen to the AI voice it generated. In today's fast-paced world, it's becoming increasingly difficult to avoid stress. Not bad, right? If you're not happy with the script, you can edit it directly using the built-in GPT script writer. And if the voice doesn't quite fit your needs, you can easily switch to another one. HeyGen's voices are powered by 11 Labs, a top-notch tool for AI voice generation. For those who want even more customization, you can integrate API keys from 11 Labs or Element to access additional voice options. Lastly, one feature that stands out is the video translator. Found in the left side menu, it lets you upload any video and translate it into over 25 languages. I tested this using a video I created with HeyGen, and the results were impressive. It might even convince your friends that you're multilingual. In conclusion, HeyGen is a robust AI tool with high-quality avatars, useful features like video translation, and plenty of customization options. While it's on the pricier side, the capabilities it offers make it a strong contender in the AI video making space. If you're curious about other tools, check out our reviews of 11 Labs, Synthesia AI, Murf AI, or Jasper AI. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more content. See you in the next video.